Do you want to hide gender on Facebook? You can make private your gender on Facebook with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To hide your gender on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you are on Facebook, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now you are on your Facebook profile screen. At the top of the screen, tap on the Edit Profile icon. A new screen will appear with different options. Scroll down to the Personal Details section and tap on your gender. Now, a new screen will open. At the top of your gender, you will see a drop-down option. Tap on it. A pop-up will open with different options. Select Only Me from the options. Once done, tap the Save button. Now, your gender will be hidden on your Facebook profile.